Hi guys, my name is Charles Jordan M. Villanueva. I am 21-year-old stunner and I came from Agoo, La Union. Agoo is known for the statue of the Eagle of the North and the home of the Basilica Minore of Our Lady of Charity. Agoo is also known for its people because we are hospitable. We are also known for our beaches, our food, and the tourist spots. So, ayun. Nag-ready ako ng mga tanong dito para makilala nyo ako ng husto. So, ano nga ba yung mga paborito kong gawin pag bored ako? One is I do play volleyball, motorcycling, and watching sunsets. Also, hanging out with friends. Next is, ano ba yung kinaiinisan ko na gawin ng isang tao? Yun ay yung pag nasa labas sila, pag nasa outdoor sila is wala silang respeto sa kapwa nila. Like, tatawa na lang sila for no reason. Next is, do I play mobile games? Yeah, I do play mobile games, especially ML. And my favorite hero is Dairut and Odette. So, pag malungkot ako, ano ba ang ginagawa ko? I do TikToks. I do watch sunsets, sunrise. And nagmumuni-muni sa dagat. Ayun. Ano bang klaseng tao ako? Ako ay maldita pero soft-hearted. What makes me unique is my personality and for who I am. Next is, why nursing? It runs in the family na magkaroon ng nurse. And my inspiration and studying nursing is my cousins. And right now, they are all registered nurse. And I want to follow their footsteps also. Next is, what is the connection of art appreciation to nursing? For me, for my own opinion, arts doesn't stop or doesn't tackle about papers, crayons, and pencils. Art is the way of expressing yourself to your patients, also knowing more deeper connections with your patients. Thank you.